sexy cool. That's the way it is. Okay, guys, I have a mic. Hello, guys. I have a mic now. Okay, I have a mic now. Can you hear me? Yeah, I think you can hear me. Please hear me. Please hear me. Can you hear me? Just yeah, hear me. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do the so now I'm gonna do left me. Let me through original song. No. I played the new Among Us airship map. Ooh. AI free play. Wow. Okay. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna do you know what? Hmm. You know what? 360 videos. 360 videos. Okay, let's do 360 video. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Okay, I like it. I know it. Sun had killed people. Where's actually where's Sharon Head? Okay. Oh, I thought I saw Sharon Head. Yeah, I know I saw Sharon Head. Okay. Yep, that's Sharon Head. Okay. Sharon Head. Puzzle. Okay. I first look. Oh, come on. Where's Sharon Head? I know Sharon Head. Here's Sharon Head. Sharon Head mommies. Whoa. Okay. Somebody escaped this prison. Sharon Head. Okay. This is so cool. Oh, I'm gonna escape from there, right? He's sleeping. Wait, who just? Oh, come on. There's none of them around. Oh, is there is around? Oh, I'm getting scared. Oh, okay. Well, that was not that scary. Okay, what happened? Is that the end? No! You know what? I'm done with this. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Wow, cool. What's this? What the fuck is this? Baby. Okay. Wow. Wow. Well, shit. Oh, I wanna. I wanna. Wow. Sharon here. What is this actually? Oh, you're kidding me. This was Sharon here. Oh shit. Come on, when? Come on. You fool. Oh, ho, ho. I love this. Wait. Oh, okay. Hey, Apple. He's laughing like crazy. Apple is laughing like crazy. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Wow, cool. So cool. Okay, enough. Enough. Did you hear it? If you don't, if you didn't hear it, say you didn't hear the song. Oh, did. Oh, come on. Come on, why do you fall every time? And Sonic. No, Pac-Man. Against Sonic? Well, dentist, black hole. Inside the human body. Siren head. Oh, how cute. Blood cells. Wow. Why? Bendy and the song. Halloween special, Bendy. Well, all of it is says screw. I don't like any of this. Come on, what's this? Oh, this is just Among Us. Oh, Siren Head. Among Us. I don't like to be there. This my voice. Let me just call up. Oh, Boris. Oh, Lions. You know, I'm running out of time. Yeah, I'm absolutely running out of time, so. What? Ew. I'm absolutely running out of time, so. Yeah, it's almost 14 minutes. And max time is 15 minutes, 1 second, so. Bye. But first, guys. You guys might have noticed I am this little, right? You just notice it so fast because I'm so little. You might hear my voice like squeaky like 2 years baby, but no, I'm not 2 years. It's just about my audio. It's little, so I need a mic. But then my computer audio. Well, yeah, I have screencast record. Oh, thing. Oh, recorder. Screencast or recorder, so you know this. 50 minutes max. Okay, bye. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Can we just hit? Can we just hit? Please, can we just hit